Morning everyone. I brought with me my coffee cup and my water bottle because I do not want to spend money on coffee or water here in Wellington, and this is all I need for the morning. I'm not sure where I'm meant to turn here, I can't remember. I forgot I have Google Maps. Alright, looking for the room T10. That's where the session is that I need to go into.
Mammals is a growing attempt to inspire oneness and a deep commitment to whales. Harrison's new greatly think. So I've got a couple. The sea shepherd house.
Hi, thanks for your presentation. I just wanted to ask a question around what your thoughts are around this. Just taking little reels for my TikTok, okay? Just letting you know.
After lunch, because we've got a staff barbecue at the university, a bus back for work. So you're happy.
Oh,
When you leave, 20th. Another no off, yeah.
Oh, because there's no music.
I already placed the food. Oh,
Yum.
yeah, enjoy that.
Just finished the most beautiful lunch with Phoebe and Zayalili and Savali. It was just amazing. It's just so good to be hanging out with Samoan sisters while overseas. Ooh, there's a session on, so I better go in and have a look. I want to eat a lemon cupcake, but it's in the gluten-free table, and I don't like the taste of gluten-free food. It's time to attend the last session. As you can already tell, I'm feeling really tired. So yeah, last session at 5 p.m. on Hawaiian music. I'm the first one in the room because I'm an eager beaver.
On the ground, with communities on the ground who do.
I've just finished the last presentation that I could watch. It is now 6:10 p.m. so I'm gonna go and have dinner with my family.